Hey everybody, Jamie here from the Keeping It Real group, brokered by Crossroads Realty, right here in Toms River, New Jersey. I'm doing another one of my small family-run business videos, which, as I tell you in all my videos, is the key to any great community, is promoting the small business. Today I am at the Appearance Workshop Salon on Route 37 in Toms River. That's right, I'm shooting a video at a woman's salon. That comes natural, right? But the best thing about this place, to me, besides the service and what they do, is the story behind it, which is tradition. This has been here 32 years. The new owner of this place started here when she was in high school. My good friend Courtney Luzamano started here in high school. 15 years later now, she's the owner of the place. So if you work hard and you got your dreams, never give up on them, because this is what you get. So with that being said, let's go in and check this place out. Come on. This is a full service salon that does everything from perms, what all you women do to your hair, they do it here. Plus it is a full service eyelash salon, because I'm getting mine done as soon as we're done with the video. She's going to get mine done. There's 13 seats in here. They do prefer if you do it by appointment. However, if you get lucky and there's a walk-in, they will service you. So come on, there's also a suite downstairs we're going to check out after she finishes panning around. And this is for all you brides and prom girls. I'll meet you downstairs. It's about time you guys got here. I'm chilling in the bridal / prom suite down here. What an idea. Very special day, whether it's a wedding, a prom, or even a girls' night out. How special does it make it? Like you can all get there together, do it, have some champagne or some wine and some cheese, and have Courtney and her staff make that day even more special. And trust me, when you come out of this place, you're going to be smoking. So, again, this is what small businesses in the community is all about. We need to support this, and I'm just so happy to be here and promote this because of the story behind it. So everybody be safe, enjoy this nice weather down here in Ocean County, and you'll be seeing you soon on my next video.